Development of coin-operated printing machine using Arduino. This study is to develop and fabricate a coin-operated printing machine which will accept payment in the form of coins, has ability to return change, print black and white or colored documents in short or long bond papers, and also will send printing documents outside the school which is inconvenient and can compromise to the student's safety. This study also aims to lower the liability of owners of the computer shops by having fewer employees and attending the printing needs of the customers. Development of coin-operated printing machine using Arduino. An undergraduate thesis presented to the faculty of the College of Industrial Technology, Cebu Technological University Moal Boal Campus, Moal Boal, Cebu, in partial fulfillment of the requirements for the degree Bachelor in Industrial Technology, major in Computer Technology. Chapter 1: The Problem and its Scope. Introduction. Rationale of the study. A printer is a device that takes computer output, including text and graphics, and prints it out. The size, speed, sophistication, and cost of printers vary. Generally, high-resolution color printing or more frequent printing is done with costlier printers. The majority of contemporary printers can print in color. They can, however, also be configured to print in black and white. Printers work with languages. These are commands from the computers to the printer to tell the printer how to format the document being printed. These commands manage font size, graphics, data compression, sent to the printer, color, and more. A coin-operated machine requires customer to insert coins to make a purchase. A vending machine is an exact example of a coin-operated machine. These machines require minimal human intervention to carry out their work. Vending machines can be categorized into product-oriented and service-oriented machines. In connection with this, the researchers would like to propose and develop a coin-operated machine that will lessen the manual issue in printing services. The SEED project is a coin-operated machine that allow the users to insert coins, to operate the machine, and choose their preferred printing options. The researchers have chosen the project since printed documents, such as term papers, research and the like are one of the requirements as a student must fulfill. However, the inaccessibility of printers inside the school campus has been an obvious dilemma that must be dealt with accordingly. Nearby, printing shops are also scarce after the COVID-19 pandemic or expensive, and sometimes the students need to take a long time or may experience slow service. The proponents of the project aim to address the problems encountered in the conventional method of printing documents. The researchers of the study aim to develop a coin-operated machine that allow users, especially students, to print documents conveniently. There is no need for them to spend a lot of time and energy traveling to computer stores if there is an accessible printing machine set up close to their home or on campus. All they would have to do is feed pennies and run the machine to print their documents. An efficient and more convenient option to the traditional method of obtaining printing services is a coin-operated printing machine. Theor- Theoretical background. The study considers the technology acceptance model by Fred Davis in 1989. It sheds light on the process underpinning the acceptance of technology. To predict the behavior of and provide a theoretical explanation for the successful implementation of technology acceptance model represents the behavior as the outcome predicted by perceived ease of use, perceived usefulness, and behavioral intention. Perceived ease of use and Perseverance captured the expectation of positive behavioral outcomes and the belief that behavior will not be labor consuming. The effect of perseverance on actual use can be direct and underscoring the importance of the variable and predicting behavior. The Diffusion of Innovation Theory by A. M. Rogers in 1962, which explains how and why new ideas and practices are adopted, including why the adoption of new ideas can be spread out over long periods was also considered in the study by Halton in 2023. So this is our prototype. This is the theory's technological acceptance model or TAM by Fred Davis in 1989 and Diffusion of Innovation Theory by A. M. Rogers in 1962. The legal basis, Republic Act Number 1606, an act to promote scientific, engineering, and technological research, invention, and development, and the coin-operated printing machine, conformance, durability, features, and stability, then the prototype. The theory explains the passage of a new idea through stages of adoption by different people who participate in or began using the new idea, how innovations are communicated to other parts of society, and the subjective opinions associated with the innovations are important factors in how quickly diffusion or spreading occurs. Adoption starts with innovators and early adopters and then spreads through the population of the early and late majority. By Helton in 2023. As a legal basis, the study considers Republic Act Number 1606, also known as an act to promote scientific, engineering, and technological research, invention, and development. It is a law enacted to encourage and support the advancements of scientific, engineering, and technological innovation in the Philippines. The law recognizes the importance of research, invention, and development as essential drivers for national progress and economic growth. It aims to create an environment conducive to scientific and technological advancements by providing various forms of support, incentives, and protection for researchers, inventors, and developers. By enacting this law, the Philippine government seeks to foster a culture of innovation and entrepreneurship, enhance the country's research and development capabilities, and create a favorable environment for translating scientific discoveries and technological advancements into practical application and economic benefits. Review of related literature. The following studies are taken into consideration to comprehend the objectives of the present study. Ablaza et al. In 2021 developed a piece of print Kisok that provides a unique and convenient form of a printing service through self-service technology. For this instance, piece of print uses an coin-operated machine to obtain payment from its users. Pisoprint's goal is to provide students with easy, convenient, and hassle-free printing. Pisoprint involves the combination of different hardware such as the coin slot connection to the microcontroller and its connection through the computer serial port. Unlike the traditional way of traveling to computer shops that offer printing services outside the school campus or even nearby shops outside the school building. The kiosk will be placed inside the building, which will be easier for students to go to and where their security will not be compromised. Concon et al. In 2017 developed and fabricated a coin-operated printing machine which accepted payment in the form of coins and can return change and print black and white or color documents in short or long bond papers. Actual testing was conducted to test and evaluate the acceptability, functionality, and reliability of the machine. The study aimed to lower the liability of owners of the computer shops by having fewer employees to tend the customers' printing needs. Alvarico and Guyon in 2022 designed a coin-operated printing kiosk whose main goal is to develop a coin-operated machine printing machine kiosk that is always accessible and convenient to use when printing documents. The coin-operated machine is limited to printing documents and only accepts 1 peso coins. It uses a flash drive to access your documents and print. The machine is designed to have different printing options and preferences for printing their documents. The project is designed to be installed inside the school campus to be used by students and school staff. Students will participate in the study as respondents. The study by Falcone et al. In 2024 aimed to design and implement a prototype coin-operated printing kiosk that will be able to run on a SMS notification system and GSM technology in error management and user interaction monitoring. The prototype kiosk was tested using a prototyping design with real customers to gauge accuracy, effectiveness, and learnability metrics. Results showed that the kiosk efficiently completes printing tasks, documents copied are well accounted for, and that the kiosk is user-friendly. The findings were the kiosk offers realistic and convenient printing services within the school campus, therefore cutting down the number of times students need to leave campus over the printing.
At Cebu Technological University, Moalboal campus, during the academic year 2024-2025 as the basic for a prototype, especially the study seeks to answer the following. What are the technical requirements needed in assembling the coin operated printing machine in terms of tool and equipment and materials and cost? Based on actual testing, what is the level of performance of the designed coin-operated printing machine in terms of conformance, durability, features, and usability? Based on the findings, what prototype can develop it? Significance of this study. The success of the project is beneficial to the following. End users, students are mostly the end user of the machine since they always have a task print their documents. They can conveniently print documents since the machine is highly accessible to them. Researchers, the study would help them gain more experience and skills in developing info programs and related to their course. Technology instructors, the, the study will serve as a reference in developing teaching strategies to motivate students to acquire skills and be creative. Future researchers, the study will guide them in developing other versions of the printing machine. Research methodology. Design. The study will utilize the experimental method of research, wherein the research will design and develop a coin-operated printing machine using Arduino. Experimental research design is a method used to investigate the interaction between independent and dependent variables, which can be used to determine a cause and effect relationship. It includes experiment or test data collection and analysis of the research result. Experimental study design requires careful planning and control to ensure robust and meaningful results. Saigot 2022. Fellow of the study. The study will use input process output scheme. The main input of the study is the technical requirements needed to assemble the coin-operated printing machine in terms of tools and equipment, materials, and cost. The level of performance of the designed coin-operated printing machine in terms of conformance, durability, features, and usability will also considered in the input. The process will start with asking for permission through entrustment letters to conduct the study. Upon approval, the design layout will follow, along with the acquisition of the needed materials, assembly of the model, testing and revision the data, determine treatment, analysis, and interpretation will also include the process. The output of the study is a functional coin-operated printing machine using Arduino environment. The study was conducted at Cebu Technological University, Moalbal campus located at Poblacion West, Moalbal, Cebu. Is a public, non-sectarian, co-educational, state-funded higher education institution formerly known as Cebu State College of Science and Technology. Cebu Technological University became a state university on November 10, 2009. Under Republic Act No. 1974, its vision is to be premier multidisciplinary technological university with mission to provide advanced professional and technical instruction for special purpose advanced study and the relevant field of study. As technologies have grown more sophisticated and high-end, CTU mobile has become an important player in the process of innovation and commercialization.
So here's the flow of the study. The input, output, and the process. For the input, technical requirements needed in terms of tools and equipments, materials, and cost. The output is the study started with asking permission, planning, designing, laying out, and assembly. The process is prototype. The other input, level of performance in terms of conformance, durability, features, and usability. The output is testing and revising, treatment of data using statistical tools, interpretations of data. The process is prototype. So here's the figure number 3, the location of the study. So, the respondents. The study's respondents will be 5 instructors from the Technology Department of Cebu Technological University, Moalbal campus. These instructors will be purposefully chosen based on their knowledge and expertise in electronics and will be identified as experts. Another 5 respondents will be chosen from the computer technology students and they will be identified as the project end users. So the distributions of the respondent is shown in table number 1. Table 1. Here's the table 1. We have a respondents, frequency, and the percentage. So for the computer technology students, the frequency is 5, the percentage is 50%. For the technology instructors, the frequency is 5, the percentage is 50%. So the total of frequency 10, percentage is 100%. So the instrument, the study will utilize the developed model of the coin-operated printing machine as the main instrument in gathering the data.
Data gathering procedure. The researchers will endorse a letter to the campus of director of Cebu Technological University Molboal campus asking permission to conduct the study. Once approved, the researchers seek permissions from the respondents to administer the questionnaire and perform the model demonstrations. Once done, researchers will gather the questionnaires for treatment, tabulations, and interpretations to formulate findings, conclusions, and recommendations. Statistical treatment. As soon as the researchers gather all the data from the survey questionnaire, it will be compiled, sorted, organized, tabulated, and treated with statistical tools. To get the frequency of the respondents, the percentage formula was used. So we have the formula in here in the screen. So it's where percent and percentage F for frequency, and for number of cases. To determine the model's levels of performance, responses will be interpreted using the weighted mean formula. So as we can see, it's having frequency, weighted mean, and the number of cases. So sum of the products of frequency time weight of each score, sum of cases. So that is the formulations of our project. Next is scoring procedure. So this study will use a 5-point Likert scale to interpret quantitatively the data gathered. The questionnaire is comprised of indicators based on the performance of the coin operating printing machine. To provide equal chances for each response category, the researchers established the non-parametric scales. So we have range, verbal descriptions, and interpretations in the screen. So as we can see, we have the range 4.20 to 5.0 strongly agree. The interpretation for this is this model operates according to its functions and exceeds expectations. Next is 3.40 to 4.9. This is the agree. So the interpretation for this model operates according to its functions and meets the expectations of the project. Next is a 2.60 to 3.39 undecided project. So this model or the model operates uncertainly and vocably meets the expectations. Next is the 1.80 to 2.9 disagree. So this model operates according to its functions but doesn't or does not meet the expectations. 1.0 is 1.79 strongly disagree, or in short is ST. So the interpretation for this is the model does not operate, never operate according to its functions. So that's the scoring procedure of our project. So next is the definitions of terms. For better understanding, terms used in the study will be operationally defined to help readers fully comprehend the study. So first is the conformance. So refers to the model design materials that match its purpose. Next is a durability. Refers to the parts of the project that are strongly fastened. Features refers to the appearance or uniqueness of the project. Performance, a measure of how well the project is doing or functions. Prototype refers to the output of the study, which is the function model of the coin-operated printing machine is usability, the degree to which the model is able or fit to be used.
Appendix B, Survey Questionnaire. Direction: evaluate the performance level of the coin-operated printing machine prototype using the scale below. So, scale, verbal, description, interpretation. 5. Strongly agree is A. The model operates according to its function and exceeds expectations. 4. Agree. The model operates according to its functions and meet expectations. 3. Undecided. The model operates uncertainly and vaguely meets expectations. 2. Disagree. The model operates according to its function but does not meet expectations. 1. Strongly disagree. The model does not operate according to its functions. Parameters: conformance. Electrical components were well mounted. The design of the project matches its purpose. The project's appearance fits its application. Durability. The electrical components can be accessed if necessary. Parts of the project are strongly fastened. Components are properly arranged according to their uses. Features. The system allows users to recognize if it is appropriate for their needs. Easy and simple to operate. Operates as intended and meets the needs for reliability. Usability. Electrical components were well mounted. The design of the project matches its purpose. The project's appearance fits its application.